Hello, this is Gaetana with Portland Volvo here in Scarborough, Maine. Today we're going to look over the all-electric 2025 EX30 Twin Motor Plus in Vapour Gray. Take a look at these wheels here, all-wheel drive, 19-inch, 5-spoke glossy black diamond cut wheels. It has LED lights, and we'll take a look at this trunk space back here. There is a small button located in the back to push to open up the trunk space. Got some accessories back here. We have the charging cord, and we will take a look at the charging port at the side of the vehicle next. It's a push to open. This is what it looks like. We'll just remove these protectors, get a view of that, put it back together, and it's a push to close. And we will take a look at these back seats. The back seat's color is called Pine Pixel Knit, which is a wool blend material. It's a greenish color. We've got this beautiful panoramic glass roof, and let's head over to the front. We've got this key card, and there's a symbol on the driver's door to hover the card over. Opens the car right up, and let's take a look inside. It has power moving seats, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, one pedal drive, backup camera, a 12-inch infotainment center. We'll come take a look down here. The same symbol located at the front of the door is located down here where you put your key card. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.